Here we go. It is the first day. This is Alpha 20. And we're brand new. Oh, that was a nice little find. We need to find some rocks, some birds' nests. Need to punch down some grass, because we need to craft a bedroll for one. I guess we'll just let it go. We're going to go through all of our initial quests. A little bit of wood. But the number one thing that we're going to be doing, right? Bedroll craft. Is I'm going to show you guys how to build what's called the kill switch. It is a base. It is a horde base and a home. And it will protect you. I wonder if I can... No, can't get anything out of that. It will protect you and keep you alive. And it can allow you to actually have a pretty good time in this game. With the kill switch, you can take out a dozen demolition zombies. I mean, that's how good this base is. So, we crafted a bedroll. Let's lay it down. Now we get to craft a stone axe. We're going to use that. These guys get a little bit of this, and then we'll make some clothing. We get coal and wood from those little piles. Alright, craft. And we're going to go ahead and craft the gloves and the hat too. More fiber, some more wood we can just punch. I think I already got that one. Yeah. Alright. Gloves, craft, hat, craft, shoes. There's a chicken, but we're not going to run it down. We got things to do. We're going to try to we're going to take risks in this series to try to expedite getting things done faster. And shoes, craft. Alright, craft the wooden club. Craft. Oh, what I meant to do. Club, craft. Alright, bow and arrows. There we go. Let's get the bow first. Hold on, let me see if I can't move that. Nope. Alright, I'm going to assume that we need more wood, so let's get some. Alright. Craft. We'll let that craft, and we'll do the arrows. Sometimes I think it gets a little messed up. There's a rabbit off on the left hand side, but once again we're not going to be able to get that. We're going to get that rock though. Okay, start a base. Let's create one of those. While that's working, let's get some more wood. I'm going to go ahead and just take this whole tree down, because we want a lot of frames. I gotta upgrade it. It's gonna ask us to build a campfire next. I wonder if it wants us to upgrade it all the way. We'll have to check. Unfortunately, the upper right hand things are hidden from me, and the start a base up there right underneath that, it's hidden from me. And unfortunately, I can't move it. Trying to. So, I wonder what it was we have, what it is we haven't done. Maybe we'll craft another wooden block. Okay, that's what it was. Let's do 20 for now. Okay, craft. And in the meantime, we need to build a campfire. Campfire. Craft. We're missing stone. Dang it. There's one. No, it's not one. There's one. There's a couple of them. Alright, now we got enough. Makes that little noise when you have everything you need to build this. This is not something that happens a lot. We're going to pick up rocks everywhere we go. Alright, so it's done. Let's just take it back over here and place it down. I think this is the last thing in our initial quests. Yep. Now it shows us where a trader is. Oh, let me grab this rock. Let's go to the map. And we're going to go there, quick waypoint. And luckily, that's that way, and we have a house right there. We are going to check this place out. We're going to loot everything. Before we do, though, we're going to take our points, and always, first thing we're going to do is Lucky Looter. Alright. We got 3 available points left. Now we have 1 available point left. We're going to save that point, and we're going to put it in the Lucky Looter, because the faster we get better equipment, the better things are going to be. Hey, buddy. Are you inside? Are you up there? There you are. Alright. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought. Alright. Nope. No false floor. We're going to leave the radiator for now. I'm going to take the chair, and we're going to get up there. And how we're going to do that is... Actually, let's go here. Oh, we'll get that here in a minute. Alright. Medicine pile. That is some seriously good luck. Painkillers and antibiotics. Holy crap. Alright, let's get over here. Check this. We're going to drop that lead. We're going to keep... Oh, I mean to fall all that way down there. You know what? I can barely see in here. I don't know how you guys feel. Hopefully it's a little brighter on your end. Alright, checking around a little bit more. Nothing. Alright. Gonna head in the direction. Ooh, it's a nice big pit. Now leaving Navigating Forest. Remember, we're looking for stones and nests, but we also want to avoid... Oh, I don't like that guy. We're gonna avoid, yeah, this. We need to really avoid getting hit. But we also need to avoid dogs, like big time. Alright, we got trash over here. Nothing. 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 I'm gonna take that. Let's get rid of this. Scrap these. Those are just easy things. We're gonna get rid of this for now. Later on, we're gonna be collecting like that, like nuts. And we're gonna get rid of paper for now. I'll bring this down. Those are crossbow bolts, so we're not gonna be able to use them. But we do have 4 stone arrows, so we are definitely gonna use those. Let's just do this. Alright. Wait. Oh, get rid of the lead. I'm gonna keep this because we're going to refill it ASAP. I don't remember. Okay, that's. We're gonna keep this too. We're gonna keep this. Yeah, we're keeping everything. Let's just go ahead and get these ready. 4. Hey, can we build? Yeah, we could do 3 more. Let's do 3 more arrows. Alright, that guy over there, he is somebody that we could take out really easy, so we're going to do it. We're going to get some points for it. Oh, he's got a buddy, too. Right. Did not get a hit in me. He did. We need to get some stamina back. He's down. Alright. Good for trash. Trash is great because you can get books out of it. Alright. I might not be able to, you know, at this level or without a perk or something like that, but we're going to try to do everything we can. Oh yeah, there we go. Another stone. I'm going to be picking up stones like crazy too. Should have been doing it more in this biome because they're easy to spot. There's a bunch right there. I'm going to make some more arrows. Alright, we'll end up using a lot of arrows initially. I would try to get some coal out of that, but honestly, we can do without it for now. We'll come across coal nodes when we need them. You guys can't see, but I'm emptying a purse that was empty. Alright. Get back here. I am not going to heal up. I know it looks like I need to heal up, but I'm not going to. I don't see any rocks. Nope. We're not doing anything with that guy. Hey. Oh man, I wish I had good arrows. Can't do it. You didn't even know I'm riding him? This is the freakiest thing ever. I'm so glad I have that on film. On film, yeah. Like this is the 90s. I'm so glad I had that captured. I can't wait to tell all my friends that I rode a deer. Yeah. We're gonna do a little looting. She's easy. Yeah, you got it. Alright. I recognize that house, I believe. And if we go in over here, yeah, there's a door right here. Okay, we're gonna close that. Something that's really handy is leather. So let's use leather right here. We are also, oops, you know, it's just too dark. It's going to get darker. I'm going to go into the menu. Oh, I'm sorry. Back. Video. We're going to move the brightness up. Alright, much better. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? Okay, that's food. We can eat that. Something's back here, though. In there. Or so, no. Wait. I don't know. I don't have a shovel. Can I make a shovel? Shovel. S-H-O. Stone shovel. Craft. Because I'm going to grab every little bit of that stuff I can get. Get rid of you. Don't need polymers right now. Don't need paper either. Most recently I've been playing on a modded server. And it's the Deathstalker server. I'm a founding member of it. And Our backpack is huge, like maybe 4 times bigger than what I've got. So I'm going to end up taking a bunch of stuff that I don't need. It would have been nice to get some clothes in there. And then just scrapping it or getting rid of it entirely. Just simply because, hey, a pair of shoes. I will wear that. Somebody is outside. We got to deal with them before they get in here. Start messing with us. I wonder if it's that one guy. Nope. Anyway, I'm used to having armor. I'm used to, you know, having much better stamina. So we're just going to see how this goes. Could be operating at super speed in comparison to what I should be operating at, just simply because I need to get to the point where I can build this base ASAP. We're going to make ourselves a leather poncho when we get a chance. Don't know how many it takes, but it's going to help protect us from the elements, which we're going to need real soon, because right here, this is just a symbol saying we're being protected from the elements. I can make mushroom seeds now. That's the big thing to take out of that. We're going to scrap those. We're going to scrap that. We got a cooking pot. We're going to scrap that. We're going to make some more arrows. SPU, stone arrow. So we can get rid of those rocks. We may end up scrapping these crossbow bolts too, just to keep our inventory clean. We may even get rid of this and this. Alright. Let's continue on. Oh, you know what I was going to do? Recipes. I don't have enough for the poncho. I need 20 and I've got 6. We are not eating that. We are here to kick butt and forget names. We'll put up there. Huh. Dang it, she got me. Alright. There's 2 things you can do in here. Oh crap. We're in a bad situation. Again? I got nothing. We're gonna have to eat. Drink. Are we gonna bleed out? Oh my gosh, that was ridiculous. I have to eat that too. Alright. We have no choice but to deal with this situation. We did it. I need cloth for bandages. If I've passed up on any cloth, I'm going to be kicking myself. How many do I need for a bandage? I can make 3. It's only 2. Got some more food. Got some clothing. Okay. Anything behind that? Nope. Oh gosh. Can't win. Alright, I'm gonna wear that. I'm gonna wear that. This has +1 on heat, and we're gonna scrap it for the leather. And we're gonna scrap that. And we're getting rid of the glass. So we don't need glass. Sure. You know, he can just do what he's gonna do. But let's go up here. We got stuff to do. Hey, buddy. poor guy didn't stand a chance. And get cloth off this. Need cloth. Let's go ahead and put this down here on the bar. We need to get that murky water processed. Did he make it? No. Alright. Alright. Aim for the head. Okay. Okay, wear that. We're going to wear this. And we're going to take all that. Sounds like he finally made it through. We're watching for him coming down. Okay. He's coming up the stairs anyway. No? He got quiet, so he's not busting through that door anymore. He's one of those crawlers. So I think he's just making his way up the stairs at some point. Yeah. Alright. Steroids are useful when you have a lot in your inventory. We're going to scrap that. Oh, sorry. We're going to scrap that. Scrap that. We're going to scrap those. We're going to scrap the nails. We're going to get rid of that. I'm keeping the pipe. We're going to scrap those. Alright, we're back under now. Let us carefully go down the stairs. There he is. We're going to go around. Alright, we're good. Done. What, no curtains over there? Yes, there was. Cloth is going to be our friend for a little while. Alright, I have a knee abrasion. Or something like that. If you go to your character, you look over to the right, you can see abrasion. And it's something that a first aid bandage or first aid kit can, you know, increase the healing on. This is just a bandage, and it will not help. It has to be a first aid bandage. So one of the things that we're going to be doing at the traders, and we're going to go there now, is I'm hoping that we can at least find out if he has any first aid supplies. That was a really weird thing with the light. We have lightning going on. Yeah, you see that? Maybe it's just shadow, clouds. It's clouds. That's what I'm gonna. That's what I'm gonna do. Is call it clouds. All right, now what we are gonna have to do is we're on 1 hour days at 2200. Zombies run, and we are in no shape to deal with running zombies. So, yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Let's just go ahead and loot before we talk to the trader. We're gonna take that and run. Let's come over here. Yeah, we need some more coal. See that? I believe that is from a mod that we're not using. So, I'm gonna have to watch that. Hey lady, can you keep it down out here? We're trying to do business and stuff. Nervous, some people. Okay. Mercy. Alright, that was a really good find. I'll tell you why here in a minute. And then he didn't see it because, like, I just looted it and ran. Got nothing else to loot here. We'll just go in and talk to the trader, get our skill point. Oh, I forgot we got a building here. Well, one of those is a buried treasures map. Please work. Please. Nope, destroyed. Those are landmines, and they just might come in handy. Very handy. Initially. Eventually, I won't be using them. Won't let me take those chairs, otherwise I would take them. Because I collect chairs. Alright. Nothing. There's nothing up here. Alright, let's get back down there. Go see the trader. Don't scrap chairs. Use a wrench on them. Like, you can do that at night when you're at
Meds,
home.
drugs, booze.
And you got nothing else to do. Alright. She does have them, and they're 30. Is there anything I can sell? I'll sell them. I'll sell these. I'll sell these. Alright. Anything else I want to sell? No, I am going to read that, and we're going to go do that. And I'm going to take a quest from her. I'm not really interested in looking at
Thanks for the business.
she has.
Stay safe out there.
Reach those safes. Oh yeah, I wish I could. Do you have any jobs? Buried supplies, 409. Buried supplies, 382.
We always need someone to handle. Oh, thank goodness. I couldn't find anyone to do that job.
Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to look at this map. Accept. And Tier 1 berry supplies, and then, oh, that one's way out there. So we're going to this one, for sure. Yep. Now, if we had any more, we would buy some eye candy, because that stuff's the bomb. Let me read this real quick. I would like to be able to, you know, make this. We're going to have to use one of these. That's all there is to it. Alright. Now, we just came from that direction. So this is going to suck, going all the way back in that direction. You can see on the map, yeah, we passed it. So we're going back to right where we were. So let's loot as we go. We need this kind of stuff. Rocks. I should actually be punching this as I go. So I'm going to put this up in here. I'm also going to scrap those nails, get rid of that. Am I going to use this? Yeah, I don't know. Probably not going to use that. That's not at all like me, so everything else I'm keeping. Yeah. We also need to be on the lookout for a water source. Oh, yeah. Because we need to fill some jars. We're going to need to create another campfire. There's a lot of... Oh, didn't mean to do that. There's a lot of sticks around here. Yeah. We're going to need to purify some more water. Not purify it, but boil it. Alright. We're going to ignore them. Him or her, whoever that was. We're going to need to repair this really soon. In fact, I'm going to do it now. Repair. It just takes 1 stone to repair, so it's like not like I'm sacrificing a lot like a repair kit, which is way more expensive to make. Alright, there's Lois. Let's go say hello to Lois. And I'm going to pick up that rock. Come back. Hit her right there. Oh, she's not down. Now she's down. You can watch my stamina go down like nuts every time I swing this thing. Because, you know, you got to put it in T-Rex in order for it to be worth anything. Your points. You got to put your points in T-Rex for you. I think that's another deer. I could have all the meat in the world right now. Just didn't get it happen. I'm gonna swing over here because I can see rocks better. Alright, see how like every time I stop, my stamina starts going up? That's a good reason to always be collecting. I think I already did these. No? Alright. It's a good reason to always be collecting stuff. Alright, what is on us that we can get rid of? Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, this. Alright, we might end up eating this. We can get rid of these. And this. I'm not doing this. Yeah, not doing that either. Alright, so that's a little better. Let's come over here. And let's go ahead and chop this tree down. Move the shovel right here. Because we need the wood. We could just dig underneath it and it'd fall over. Repair. Once again, one stone. That's all it took to repair. We're going to need the wood. In fact, while we're digging, I'm going to be building frames. We don't have a lot of time before it gets dark. And we're going to want a place to stay. We're probably going to stay right up there, if I had a wild guess. We'll just get right up there, hunker down, and I'll just cry like a little baby all night long. And then, in the morning, we'll resume our little adventure. But I've got 4 in-game hours, which is like 10 minutes, I think, real time. Something like that. So 6 hours is 15 minutes. So yeah, 4 hours would be 10 minutes. Oh man, I've got like I said, I'm playing on a server, and I've got a shovel that'll do, you know, dirt in one strike. I've got all my points set up. Oh, look at that. Right over there. How weird. I got all my points in Miner 69er and all that, so it helps. I'm hoping that... Wait, did we? Hold on. No, we haven't gotten a point yet. If I find a big rock, I'd probably sit on it. And is that rocks? Yeah. Probably sit on it at night and mine it. But I don't see a big rock anywhere. Repair. This is why early game you need to pick up rocks. Hi-ho, hi-ho, off to work we go. Yeah, I feel like a little mining dwarf, that's right. That's what I feel like. But, this is very, very important because we do need clay for making cobblestone, for making a forge. Because we are going to be putting a point into that, because we absolutely have to have a forge. No doubt. Alright, get this rock. Eh, buddy, come on over. I'll be patient. I can see your feet from this angle. You're just an experience bag. Alright. Oh, I have nothing. That was almost bad. I hear somebody else too. Oh man, I did not want to have to deal with a mow. Let's eat. We should call this the starvation game. Sorry, buddy. I'm trying really, really hard. I know that you're suffering. I will keep at it until you're down, okay? I promise you. Whoa, don't fall in the hole. There we go. Alright, no more suffering for you. It's gonna be alright. Kind of feel bad now. We got kind of close during that encounter. Saw the pain on his face. Alright, one of the things you should know is that if you look, this has 200 points, this has 250. So that's the top soil is 250, and then the soil underneath it is 200. So really, I could just pop myself down into a little hole, not worry about the top soil, and just dig like a pocket underneath here of space just for this chest, right? But that's also a little dangerous because if a wandering horde comes up on you have no way to get out. You're just stuck in this hole and they're going to beat down into the ground or through a frame if you try to block yourself in with a frame, and they're going to kill you. Oh, mercy. Let's rest for a minute. Oh, we got this we can drink. We ate the food. Scrap that, get rid of this. We may end up having to eat this tonight, but we have the vitamins, so it won't kill us. Might have, I don't know, I can't remember if cornbread is on one of the, oh, let's repair this. That's what it was. I thought I was tired. I don't remember if I can make cornbread right off the bat or not. 2 skill points. Alright. Let's go back to... Oh, sorry. Wow, I can just press the right button right off the bat, maybe. Okay, is this 2 points? Nope, 1 point. How about Lucky Looter? Another point in Lucky Looter. Alright, maybe we'll get something good out of this chest. Alright. Hoping for a blunderbuss this early in the game is about right where it's going to be at. Still going to collect ammo, but you know, it is what it is. It's too much to ask for even a pistol this early in the game. Okay. We're running out of time. I don't want to run out of time. I want my cake and I want to eat it too. One of the things early game that we're probably going to do is we're going to put some points into treasure hunter, I think is what it's called, and it basically makes it so that this is a little bit easier. It shows a smaller diameter for the treasure. You see the circle, how it makes a little ka-ching noise and gets smaller, like that. See, now it's over there. It gets smaller after like so many of these things you dig up. But with that perk and some points into it, the circle is smaller and it moves in faster. My poor guy. He's just exerting himself a little too much. Needs to take a break. No, needs a new shovel. Repair. Luckily, it's a quick job to repair a shovel. A little too high, I guess. There it is. Alright. The thing about this is zombies will spawn. And we're going to have to kill them. Okay? But, boom. There it is. Alright, we're gonna back off a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go over here. We're gonna drop some stuff. I don't know. This guy's usually pretty tough. But we got him. Alright, let's go over here. Alright. Nope. Stamina's bad. Where'd number 4 go? I counted 4. 1, 2, 3. Are you down there? Oh, he wandered off. Look at him over there. Lucky me. Alright, well, it is time to figure out some shelter. Oh, we would have been here. Okay. Did we go up there? Yeah. We did. Well, we're going to go back up there. This is where we're going to hang out for the night. You know, buddy, there's not enough room up here for me and you. Oh, okay. Let's build ourselves a little bit better of a situation here. We got some wood and we got some frames. We might even sneak down at night and cut some wood. I don't know. There's a chicken way over there. He's running like his life depends on it. Okay, let's go to this purse. Alright, let's build campfire and a storage chest. Oh, let's get rid of that. Scrap. So long as we have a storage chest, we can put anything we want in it. Hey, we picked up some water. I didn't notice that. Let's get rid of that. Keep this on us. Get rid of that. Get rid of the ammo. We're not going to need this for a while. I could have actually gotten rid of it a while back. Yeah. So I'm going to get those. Get that. Oh, keep the wood on us. Always keep wood and stone on you. And that. We're going to need this back. In fact, we'll just deal with this. We're going to keep that on us. That, we can make tea now. Red tea. Oh, we're getting rid of that. Get rid of that. Those are from the mod. And I guess I need to remove that mod from my mod pack. Oh, let me put these in here too. And that. Alright, let's place this down. Right there. Yep. Oh, our coal. Wait, what did I just grab? Alright, get rid of that. Let's grab the coal. Alright, recipes. Boiled water. Boiled water. Yeah, I gotta remove that mod pack. It's just gonna mess us up. Cool. Alright. Alright, come here. Get rid of you. Over the edge. You over the edge. Alright. I'll have a couple of waters. Actually, we need to pause this. Put that there. Now do the water. Recipe. Boiled water. Boiled water. This normally doesn't look like this. It's that mod that's doing it. You can't make a bowl of rice in regular 7 Days to Die. Let's put our torch down. Let's do this. So what we might just do is make this our little base of operations for a little while, until we get down into the nice lands that direction. I can find a nice flat spot to build something. So let's do this. We're going to go on our map, and we're going to zoom in to where we're at, and we're going to right click. We're going to save the waypoint as base. And that'll help us know. Actually, where's the trader at? Tier 1 buried supplies are not there. That's the trader. and it wants us to return there to get our quest reward. Alright, see that guy over there? I don't trust him. But I don't see anybody over here. So what we could do, let's make some ladders. L-A-D-D, wooden ladder. Let's try crafting 4 of them. Let's do 4. Alright. And let's get rid of that. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I'm going to put a block right here. And if we need to, we can block our ladders that way. But we're also going to remove a couple of blocks here. Because we can. No, we can't. Alright, we're going to remove that ladder. Alright, we can get up here. And then, oops, we can get up here. And then jump. No, this is bad. Alright, can I do it? No. There we go. Might have to practice that a couple of times. Got our water? Alright. Let's go down here. Got us a tree. I'm going to go around the tree like this. Just keep an eye out. You can see an Edgar off there on the left hand side. I'm probably not going to get his attention unless he comes over here. There's not a Lois. I don't have any rocks. Well, crap. I didn't put them up in the chest, did I? I don't see any rocks. I think I used them all. I did. Darn. Alright. I don't see any rocks. How insane is that? Alright. Can't use this to get rocks. Alright, we're going to... Oh crap. Oh no. That's bad. Hey lady. Now, you might have been wondering why I would do something as silly as not fill in these blocks. Stop moving around so much. Start banging on something again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There you are. It's because I can shoot her through them. And she's not down yet. She's down now. Alright. Let's do a double check for surroundings because we don't want to lose those arrows. Alright. Crap. They're just too close. We're going to come over here and we're going to cower and we're going to take our light and we're just going to sit here all night long. And I will see you guys in the morning. Good night.